How to reset Control Center on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the Control Center. The Control Center provides instant access to the things you do most often, like turning on Wi-Fi or using the calculator. From this page, tap on the Reset Control Center option located in the last section of the page. A confirmation pop-up menu will appear. Tap Reset Control Center again in the pop-up menu to confirm your choice. This will reset your Control Center's layout back to its original factory settings, removing any customizations you've made. You have now successfully reset the Control Center to its default layout. Following these steps, you can easily reset the Control Center on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.